Why does your scanner show the P0597 engine code? What does it mean? P0597 is a diagnostic trouble code for Thermostat Heater Control Circuit open. The P0597 engine code for indicate the Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected the electrical system that controls the integrated heating element inside your car's thermostat. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective electronic thermostat, damaged wiring harness, corroded electrical connector, coolant contamination in wiring, faulty engine control module, PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, Nissan, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.